Morning, y'all. They're still working on the greenhouse in here. We've got a wood floor. We don't have to come in here on the dirt. Got some shelving. Store a little bit of stuff in here. Here's going to be a big sink. And we can sit out here. We got a couple of these chairs. Hi, buddy. It's me and the cat this morning. Come on. Come on, we gotta clean that up and paint it. Come on, baby. Get away from there. There's some bees in there. Don't want you to put your nose down on there. There is bees in there. That's a nook. See, there's bees. Oh, what are you doing? Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, my goodness. I think we need to stake this tree. It's a plum tree. I think we need to get some stakes built on that. Oh, he went up the tree. There he is. He went up the tree. Hi. There. Gotcha. Gotcha. You can get down, right? Oh, yeah. Whee! He's kind of heavy. I worry about him jumping sometimes. Oh, strawberries got to be picked. Tell my husband to get out here and get these things picked. Our deal was, he picks, I put up. Now these are lilies. I think, can't remember if they're orange or, yeah, I think these are orange lilies. My husband brought these lilies up from Virginia. I don't know about these old things, if I like these or not. But they do get a huge white flower on, and that's got to come out of there. I can't pull that out. I have to tell my husband to pull that out of there. That's a tree. Okay, Ian. Sweet Ian. Let's go back to the house. Here, we're so close. Let me get you behind the gate. I'm not bringing you in. I just want you on this side of the gate. We'll do a walkabout. We're supposed to do something today and go to a shindig with music and all to this cabin. I know, I shut the gate. Come on back this way. Come on, sweetie. Come on closer to the house. Yeah, a little shindig today. And I don't want to get myself wore out before we get there. We're going to bring chairs like these. But I also have a recliner. I'm bringing my recliner. I am not going to be setting up. Ian, come here. Where is he? There you are. Come on. Over here where Mama is. Can't protect you over there. There's all kinds of critters out here. Like other cats. You need to exercise. Yes, we've been trying to exercise you. Get some weight off of you. Because he's short. We're short and fat like Mama, huh? I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Got different hostas in here. I'm going to pull these long things out. I mean, they do flower, but can't have them overgrowing my hostas. And these are elephant ears. My husband pulled up last year's elephant ears. I would have had some huge ones out here, but he didn't know not to. He thought you pulled them up. He thought one of them looked dead on top, and I says, no, that'll be dead, but they made roots underneath. So just leave them alone. Next year, he'll know. You like it in there? You like it in there, Yin? Yin? You like it in there, don't you? You'll like it better when it grows up more. Now these will get some pretty flowers in there. These are just seedlings right now. But they'll be 4 feet tall before you know it. Won't they? That's not an elephant ear. What is that? That's some kind of flower. I think it's one of them tall ones. I forget what I plant sometimes. I see you, Yin. I see you. You hear the birds? You hear the birds? Yeah? You like it out here? You like it out here? You sweet. You a sweet cat. My other cats, well, this is my neighbor's yard. This rose bush looks good. I hope mine gets that big when it gets to going. Anyway. Oh my God. I almost dropped my phone. Y'all know these things right here. And I got this little clip right here. And this right here, you barely get that pushed, you're gonna lose your. I'm so afraid I'm gonna break this camera. I'm gonna take some of my bands I wear in my hair, and I'm gonna secure it to that today, because we're going on this shindig, and I don't want to lose my camera and break my glass. I just got it repaired because my husband dropped it. But these little tripods, they're nice, except for that one thing. So I'm going to make sure I secure it. Anyway, yeah, that wasn't very nice of that to do that. That's bad. Comes off. I guess my phone's heavy with a case on it. Whew, I almost dropped it. Yep, we pull weeds. What you seeing? Birds? You can hear them. I'm sitting on the carport. I can't get my car in here. I have to park next door because my husband's got his bass boat in here. Yeah. It's licensed, ready to go. I think my son said there's 1 or 2 lights they got to get bulbs for. I guess that's what he's working on. There's some little bulbs that go down the side somewhere. Anyway, I'm not sure where they go. This seats 3. Man, it's got a fish finder, a GPS. It's got all the bells and whistles. The seats aren't up. They're folded down because the cover won't go on with seats up. It's got everything it needs. Well, anyway. You doing, Ian? He loves it out here. I'll let him out early in the morning. He likes to look at the birds. The bird up there, where is it? Oh, he flew off.